I'm Gautam Reddy. I'm a director at Ramki Group. Quickly wanting to give you an overview of Ramki, what we do. We're largely a civil and environmental infrastructure company. Civil infrastructure focusing on roads, buildings, industrial construction, irrigation projects, power transmission line, power plants and other infrastructure. The second major portfolio is the environmental infrastructure, where we take care of water, wastewater, solid waste management and a plethora of recycling activities. Now coming specifically to the waste management and environmental portfolio, if we look at in the year 2010, surprisingly, environment is in the highest of the social agenda. But when you come and look at the economic agenda, nothing is tied into it. Practically less than a fraction of Indian GDP goes into protecting environment. Though almost every one of us talk about environment almost every day. When we drive in car, we speak about it. When we're walking, we speak about it. In the mornings, we speak about it. But there's absolutely no economic agenda tied into it. The reason being, we still believe that environment is not as important inherently. It's just a social agenda. Having come to the thought as early as 1994, Ramki forayed into this waste management as an area of focus and wanted to bring in better quality environmental management systems. So today we have brought in systems which take care of solid waste, liquid waste, industrial waste and the hospital waste, which are now providing effective solutions across the country. We're today catering to more than 3 million tons of waste by scientific technologies, where we handle this waste in sanitary landfills, secured landfills, incinerators, sterilizers, and a plethora of other technologies that we adopt. We believe that environment is so important on a corporate social responsibility. Despite the fact that managing waste is the primary business, Ramki as a social responsibility has ventured into recycling as an important area so that we reduce the waste that comes into business. Now, coming to look at recycling per se, there are three forms of recycling: reduce, reuse and recycle, the 3 R's of environmental management. India is in the forefront in reducing.